Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Guys, Palantir stock is up over 14% after hours today. So we're going to be talking about what does this mean, what should you do, and should you buy this stock. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you want to learn more about trading, swing trading, how to find undervalued stock, check out our school. You guys can get 50% off for one day to use code PLTR, Palantir's ticker, to get 50% off. Only valid for one day for 50% off. So check it out down below. And guys, let's jump into this. So guys, today Palantir released their earnings report. So this is when the company comes out and they give you all the good, all the bad, everything about this company, the revenue, the future growth, projections, all that. And guys, they did not disappoint. So looking at this chart, you guys will notice that previously, Palantir has seen great growth. And honestly, we've been dollar cost averaging into this stock now for a minute, so we are up handsomely, and I absolutely love this. But more importantly, looking at the hourly chart, what do we notice? We notice the stock sold off a little bit, and it immediately popped up today because of their earnings report. So this is when the company comes out and they give you all of the good, all of the bad, and man, they didn't disappoint here. So on November 4th, so that is today, Palantir released its financial results for the third quarter. Ending September 30th, 2024, the company reported significant revenue increase of 30% year over year, revenue growing by 44%, which is awesome. The growth is because of strong demand for artificial intelligence, also known as AI, with U.S. commercial and government revenue showing a substantial increase. This is crazy. The EPS, earnings per share, rose by 43%. The company also raised its full year guidance for revenue, U.S. commercial revenue, adjusted free cash flow, adjusted operating income, which God, that's insane. So let's go down here and see if we can see some of the revenue growth right here. So Palantir ended the quarter with $4.6 billion in cash equivalents, and short-term U.S. Treasury securities. That's so much money, $4.6 billion. The fourth quarter of 2024, Palantir expects revenue between $776 and $771 million, and adjusted income operations between $298 to $302 million. Another thing that I think is important here, guys, is this right here. So the U.S. commercial revenue expected to grow by at least 50%. So that's why we're getting buying pressure, guys. That is why, because they are beating expectations like crazy. Revenue is up 30% year over year. We're seeing increasing in future guidance. And so to answer that question that everybody has, right, why we all clicked on this video today, is should you buy Palantir? For me, it comes down to risk management, right? A lot of this comes down to it. So as of right now, the stock's up 13%. So the issue with it is you hear that expression, buy low, sell high. And given the stock's already squeezed up a little bit, I think if you're going to dump a bunch of money in on it, I would sit on the sidelines, wait a week, see what happens, look for a little dip down. But if you already have shares is the big thing. I would recommend doing the strategy dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging, in my opinion, is probably going to be the best of both worlds because you'll have shares to make money. You have to understand that Palantir is a long-term play. It's not going to be a stock where you buy it today, sell it tomorrow. I mean, it's very unlikely. It's going to be a stock here that you buy and you hold for a couple of years and you see what happens. It's a high growth, highly risk stock. So that's what's going on with it. That's my thought process on it. And yes, I wouldn't be surprised if we see the stock hit $55 to $60 by the end of this year, just by looking at the current growth rates. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Don't forget to get, you guys can use code PLTR to get 50% off, and we'll see you guys in there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care, guys.